Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is Ollie back here, my cat, and I wanted to tell you about his favorite cat food. So this is the IAMS Proactive Healthy Adult Cat Food, and this is the chicken flavor, and this is a really nice cat food. So it's a really high quality cat food, and he's been on this for quite a while and has done very well with it. So what I like about it is the first ingredient is chicken, and it's a really balanced cat food to give your cat everything they need to stay really healthy. So he loves it too. He loves the taste. In fact, he has been trying to tear into this new bag before we opened it for him because he just can't wait to eat it. So he's currently eating some of it right now. He just really loves it. And we are really happy with it because he always gets an excellent report from his vet that he's doing really well. His coat is nice and shiny and healthy. And even though he is about 9 years old, he is in excellent health, and I'm sure that it is in part due to his cat food. So I am really happy with this IAMS product, and I also love that it comes in larger sizes so you can get it and be set for a while. And I would definitely recommend it to anyone for their cat, and that's my point of view.